Hey, what's up everyone? It's your tech guy MKBHD back with a brand new video. Today we're diving into something that's been on everyone's radar for a while now. Foldable phones. But not just any foldable phone, we're talking about one that might actually be worth your time and money. And today, we're diving into the world of mobile gaming with a killer combo. The OnePlus Open and the GameSir X2S controller. This setup promises to take your mobile gaming experience to the next level. Imagine having a device that not only fits in your pocket but also unfolds into a mini gaming console. Sounds cool, right? You know me, I'm all about that tech that pushes boundaries, and foldable phones have been teasing us with their potential for a while now. We've seen a lot of prototypes and first-gen models that were more about showing off the concept than delivering a solid user experience. But things are changing. The OnePlus Open, though, is different. It's not just another foldable phone, it's a statement. OnePlus has always been known for delivering high-quality devices at competitive prices, and this phone is no exception. It's sleek, it's modern, and it feels premium in your hand. It's OnePlus saying, we're here and we're taking foldable tech seriously. And you can tell they've put a lot of thought into this device. From the hinge mechanism to the display quality, everything screams attention to detail. And you know what? They're not wrong. This phone is a game changer in the foldable market. It's not just about the novelty of having a foldable screen, it's about delivering a seamless experience that makes you forget you're using a foldable device. This phone is a beast, packing some serious power under the hood and a display that's gonna blow your mind. We're talking about a Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means smooth performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. But enough about the specs. Let's get into why this phone is a mobile gamer's dream. First off, the display. When unfolded, you get a massive 7.6-inch AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and deep blacks. This makes your games look stunning, almost console-like. And with the GameSir X2S controller, you get physical buttons and analog sticks, making it feel like you're playing on a dedicated gaming device. The GameSir X2S controller is a game changer in itself. It attaches seamlessly to the OnePlus Open, giving you a comfortable grip and precise controls. No more fumbling with on-screen buttons, you get tactile feedback that enhances your gaming experience. Plus, the controller is lightweight and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Now, let's talk about battery life. One of the biggest concerns with foldable phones has always been battery performance. But the OnePlus Open comes with a 4,500 mAh battery that supports Warp Charge 65. This means you can game for hours without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, it takes just 39 minutes to get back to 100%. And let's not forget about the software. The OnePlus Open runs on Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean and smooth user interface. It's optimized for gaming, with features like Kinetic Mode that blocks notifications and maximizes performance. You can also customize your gaming experience with different profiles and settings. So is the OnePlus Open the foldable phone we've all been waiting for? If you're a mobile gamer, the answer is a resounding yes. It combines cutting-edge technology with practical features that make it a joy to use. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or just enjoying some casual games, this phone has got you covered. So there you have it, folks. The OnePlus Open is not just a foldable phone, it's a foldable phone that's actually good. If you're in the market for a new device and love gaming, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace! First things first, let's talk about that foldable screen. It's gorgeous. We're talking about a massive, almost tablet-sized display that folds in half to fit in your pocket. That means you get the best of both worlds. A big screen for immersive gaming and a compact design for easy portability. But it's not just about the size, it's about the experience. Imagine playing your favorite games on a screen this big, with colors that pop and blacks that are actually black. No more squinting at a tiny display or dealing with annoying black bars.
Now, let's talk about the GameSir X2's controller. This little guy is a game changer, literally. It's a compact, portable controller that connects to your OnePlus Open via USB-C, giving you console-like controls on the go. No more fumbling with touchscreen controls or dealing with laggy Bluetooth connections. The X2's provides a responsive, tactile gaming experience that's going to give you an edge in any game. Plus, it's super comfortable to hold, even during those marathon gaming sessions.
To really put this setup to the test, I decided to fire up Warzone Mobile. Now, for those who don't know, Warzone Mobile version of the popular Battle Royale game, and let me tell you, it's intense. But with the OnePlus Open and the GameSir X2S, it's a match made in heaven. The large screen gives me a tactical advantage, allowing me to spot enemies from afar, while the responsive controls of the X2S let me react with precision and speed. I'm talking about pulling off those clutch headshots and outmaneuvering opponents like a pro.
Section 5. Level up your gameplay. And it's not just Warzone Mobile, this setup enhances pretty much any game you throw at it. Racing games feel more immersive, action games feel more responsive, and even puzzle games benefit from the added precision of a physical controller. But it's not just about the games themselves, it's about the entire experience. The OnePlus Open's powerful processor and ample RAM ensure that games run smoothly, even at high settings, while the long-lasting battery means you can game for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice.
Section 6. The price of power. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. When it comes to investing in technology, especially in the realm of gaming, the cost is always a significant factor. The OnePlus Open is a premium device designed with cutting-edge technology and features that cater to both productivity and entertainment. Its sleek design, high-resolution display, and powerful processor make it a top-tier choice for tech enthusiasts. And then we have the GameSir X2's controller. While it may not carry the same hefty price tag as the OnePlus Open, it still represents an additional expense. This controller is specifically designed to enhance your mobile gaming experience, providing tactile feedback and precision that touch controls simply can't match. Let's be real, this setup is an investment, and not a small one at that. When you combine the cost of the OnePlus Open with the GameSir X2S, you're looking at a significant outlay of cash. It's important to consider whether the benefits justify the expense. You could argue that you could get a dedicated gaming console for the same price, and you wouldn't be wrong. Traditional gaming consoles like the PlayStation or Xbox offer a robust gaming experience with a vast library of games, often at a lower overall cost. And for many, this is a perfectly valid choice. Consoles are designed specifically for gaming, with powerful hardware and exclusive titles that can provide countless hours of entertainment. But that's not really the point, is it? The OnePlus Open and GameSir X2s offer something different. They provide a level of portability and convenience that a traditional console just can't match. Imagine being able to take your high-quality gaming experience with you wherever you go. Whether you're on a bus, in a park, or waiting for an appointment, you can dive into your favorite games without being tethered to a TV or power outlet. This kind of flexibility is invaluable for those with busy, on-the-go lifestyles. Additionally, the integration of mobile gaming with a powerful smartphone like the OnePlus Open means you have a multifunctional device. It's not just for gaming, it's your phone, your camera, your productivity tool, and your entertainment hub all in one. This versatility can often justify the higher price point for many users. So while the initial investment might be steep, the value you get in return can be substantial. It's about weighing the cost against the benefits and deciding what fits best with your lifestyle and gaming needs. In the end, the price of power is not just about the money spent, but about the freedom and flexibility it affords you. The choice is yours to make.
Section 7. Is it worth it? So the big question is it worth it? Well, that depends. It depends on what kind of gamer you are and what you expect from your gaming experience. If you're a casual mobile gamer who only plays a few minutes here and there, then probably not. You might find that a simpler setup meets your needs just fine, but if you're serious about mobile gaming, if you spend hours immersed in your favorite games, then this could be a game changer for you. If you're looking for the best possible experience with high performance, great graphics, and seamless controls, then the OnePlus Open and GameSir X2S are definitely worth considering. These devices are designed to enhance your gaming experience, making it more enjoyable and immersive. Think of it this way. You're not just paying for a phone and a controller, you're investing in a premium gaming experience. You're paying for the future of mobile gaming. The technology in these devices is cutting edge, designed to keep up with the latest games and updates. You're paying for the freedom to play your favorite games anywhere, anytime, without compromise. Whether you're at home, on the go, or even outdoors, you can enjoy a top-notch gaming experience. Imagine being able to take your gaming setup with you wherever you go. No more being tied to a console or a PC. With the OnePlus Open and GameSir X2S, you have the power of a high-end gaming system right in your pocket. The performance is impressive with fast load times, smooth gameplay, and responsive controls. It's like having a mini gaming console that you can take anywhere. Plus, the customization options allow you to tailor the experience to your preferences. You can adjust settings, remap controls, and optimize performance to suit your gaming style. And let's not forget the social aspect. With these devices, you can easily share your gaming experiences with friends, join multiplayer games, and stay connected with the gaming community. You can even stream your gameplay, showing off your skills to a wider audience. The possibilities are endless, so is it worth it? If you're passionate about mobile gaming and want the best experience possible, then yes, it's definitely worth it. The OnePlus Open and GameSir X2S offer a level of performance and convenience that is hard to beat. In the end, it comes down to what you value in your gaming experience. If you want the freedom, performance, and quality that these devices offer, then they are a worthwhile investment. So, take a moment to think about what you want from your mobile gaming experience. If you decide that the OnePlus Open and GameSir X2S are right for you, then get ready for an incredible gaming journey.
Section 8. Beyond Warzone, exploring other games. And it's not just about the present, it's about the future. As mobile gaming continues to evolve and improve, having a device like the OnePlus Open and a controller like the GameSir X2s will become even more essential. You'll be ready for whatever the future of mobile gaming throws at you. Imagine streaming AAA games directly to your OnePlus Open with console-quality graphics and gameplay, all thanks to the power of cloud gaming. Imagine playing the latest and greatest mobile games with the responsiveness and precision of a dedicated handheld console.
Section 9. The future of mobile gaming. That's the future that the OnePlus Open and GameSir X2S represent, and it's a future that I'm excited about. We're on the cusp of a mobile gaming revolution, and this setup is at the forefront. So if you're ready to take your mobile gaming to the next level, if you're ready to experience the future of gaming, then I highly recommend checking out the OnePlus Open and the GameSir X2S controller. Section 10, final verdict. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.